Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor adventures with what we believe is the best wood-burning stove out there, the VEVOR Camping Wood Stove. Now, what makes the VEVOR Camping Wood Stove stand out from the rest? First off, this stove boasts a whopping 3,000 inches cubed firebox, ensuring quick and long-lasting heating without the need for constantly adding firewood. Plus, with its damper and ventilation holes, controlling the fire and smoke is a breeze. But wait, there's more. The VEVOR stove comes with spacious detachable shelves, perfect for outdoor cooking and storing utensils. And with 9 included accessories, including a shovel, scraper, and protective gloves, you'll have everything you need for a hassle-free camping experience. Now, let's talk durability. Crafted with rust-resistant alloy steel and featuring reinforced 3mm panels. This stove can withstand high temperatures and rough outdoor conditions without deformation. Safety is paramount, and the VEVOR stove doesn't disappoint. With a 550-degree powder coating to eliminate odors, a spark arrestor to prevent sparks from flying, and a bottom fire grate to prevent overheating, you can enjoy your outdoor adventures with peace of mind. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best wood-burning stove for your outdoor adventures, look no further than the VEVOR Camping Wood Stove. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy camping!